Hey everybody, so what we're going to be doing today is creating the game Gomoku in Figma using the new interactive components beta. This isn't available to everyone. I'll leave a link in the description as to where you can sign up to get this beta, and they should give it to you within a few days. So what we're doing here is just creating a simple oval shape. From here we'll turn this shape into a component, and then that component we'll then apply the variance feature to. Now we're calling this an empty slot to begin with. This will be the default state of the first variant. And now we're creating a second variant, which will be the state of the black coin. We'll add an inner shadow and offset it a little bit to look like there's a light source coming from the top left. Now let's move on to the black coin. We can edit the state of this to look however we want. So what we're going to do is make a linear gradient and make it look like there's a light source again in the top left. So we're going to make the top left lighter than the rest of the coin and the bottom right darker than the rest of the coin. So now we've got that done, we'll quickly change the name of this so that it actually makes sense. So we'll change the name of the default state as well to the empty slot. And now we can create our third variant, which would be the white coin. Again, we can adjust the style of this so that it looks like there's a light source coming from the top left corner, and we can darken it in the bottom right. Now we can use the interactive components beta and use this option change to link these variants together. So on click of the first variant will lead to the black coin, and then we'll link the black coin on click and we'll change that to the white coin. So essentially when you click the empty slot it will turn to the black coin, and when you click the black coin it will change to the white coin. Now let's set up the board. Now what we're going to do is go to the Assets tab, and now you can see the coins component here. We're just going to drag that in and put it on our board, and then all we're going to do is copy and paste this a few times and build out our board. And now for the exciting bit, you can click the prototype start button and actually view this prototype in action. Now it's going to show us our board and they're all going to be in the default state, but you'll notice now when you click one it will change to the black coin, when you click one twice it will change to the white coin. And there you have it. Using just 3 variants of one component, we can build out an entire game board in Figma, all using the interactive components beta from Figma. I'm loving this tool, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, subscribe.